To watch all our videos, click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click all. Now navigate to the settings of your mobile phone. Go to apps and notifications. Notifications, YouTube, and make sure all the options on the right are turned on. Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we will learn about may have to be. May have to be is given by ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಬಹುದು or ಇರಬೇಕಾದೀತು. ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಬಹುದು or ಇರಬೇಕಾದೀತು. All right? Now, let us see three examples. We may have to be working till evening. We may have to be working till evening. ನಾವು ಸಂಜೆಯ ತನಕ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಬಹುದು. ನಾವು ಸಂಜೆಯ ತನಕ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಬಹುದು. Okay? Now, we may have to be with verb, right? When that is the case, most of the time the linking letter will be ta. Ta. Ta ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಬಹುದು. ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ವಿ ಸಂಜೆಯ ತನಕ ಟಿಲ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಲಸ ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ತಾ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಲಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಬಹುದು. may have to be. Okay, so when we have may have to be plus verb, we will use ta and then ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಬಹುದು. You can also use ta ಇರಬೇಕಾದೀತು. That is also right. Okay, she may have to be angry for that scene. She may have to be angry for that scene. Now, may have to be is with a adjective. Okay? ಅವಳು ಆ ದೃಶ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಬಹುದು. ಅವಳು ಆ ದೃಶ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಬಹುದು. All right. ಅವಳು is she. ಆ ದೃಶ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ for that scene. ಸಿಟ್ಟು means anger. Here ಆಗಿ ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಆಗಿ is the linking letter. Here it was ta, here it is ಆಗಿ. For adjectives, most of the cases we will have ಆಗಿ as the linking letter or word, linking word. ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಬಹುದು may have to be, or ಅವಳು ಆ ದೃಶ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾದೀತು. That is also right. Okay, they may have to be confident. They may have to be confident. ಅವರು ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಇರಬೇಕಾದೀತು. ಅವರು ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಇರಬೇಕಾದೀತು. ಓಕೆ, ಅವರು ದೇ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ Okay. Now here we have linking word dinda. Atma vishwasa dinda. Okay. Irabekaditu. Irabekaditu. Or you can also use irabekagabahudu. That is also right. Okay. So depending on whether it comes with verb or adjective or noun, we will have different linking letter. Ta, agi, dinda, and sometimes we will not have the linking letter at all. Okay. So as you practice, it will come to you. Okay, because there is no set rule. Of course there is set rules, but I do not want to say that and confuse you, because this is not a grammar class. And as you practice, go on practice, you speak with someone who knows Kannada, it will come to you. Okay. Next, questioning. Okay. May we have to be working till evening? May we have to be working till evening? ನಾವು ಸಂಜೆಯ ತನಕ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಬಹುದೇ? So the last letter was U in the previous slide, if you still remember. U. Replace the U with E in English. In Kannada, it would take the form of A. ನಾವು ಸಂಜೆಯ ತನಕ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಬಹುದೇ? Okay. They. Question. May she have to be angry for that scene? ಅವಳು ಆ ದೃಶ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಬಹುದೇ? ಅವಳು ಆ ದೃಶ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಬಹುದೇ? Question. All right. May they have to be confident? May they have to be confident? ಅವರು ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಇರಬೇಕಾದೀತೇ? ಅವರು ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಇರಬೇಕಾದೀತೇ? Okay. Generally we use will form of question for this. Will they have to be confident? Okay. So just for the sake of explaining you how to form the question, I have used the sentences. Okay. Next is negating. For negating, the suffix would be irabekagalikkilla. Irabekagalikkilla. Okay. We may not have to be working till evening. We may not have to be working till evening. ನಾವು ಸಂಜೆಯ ತನಕ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಸಂಜೆಯ ತನಕ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. All right. She may not have to be angry for that scene. She may not have to be angry for that scene. ಅವಳು ಆ ದೃಶ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವಳು ಆ ದೃಶ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ is the suffix for negating may have to be formed. They may not have to be confident. ಅವರು ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. All right? Now, for negating question, we must add VE, way, to the sentences that we have seen in the previous slide. Okay? May we not have to be working till evening? May we not have to be working till evening? ನಾವು ಸಂಜೆಯ ತನಕ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ನಾವು ಸಂಜೆಯ ತನಕ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲವೇ? The way at the end makes this a negating question. Okay? May she not have to be angry for that scene? May she not have to be angry for that scene? ಅವಳು ಆ ದೃಶ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ಅವಳು ಆ ದೃಶ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲವೇ? May they not have to be confident? May they not have to be confident? ಅವರು ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ಅವರು ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲವೇ? Okay, negating question. Okay? Click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click on all to get notified when we post a new video. If you want to watch more videos, click on the channel and click on playlists and follow any playlist that you want.